If you're looking for what accounting software to use for your business and you want a really easy comparison between Xero and QuickBooks, this video is for you. Now, I know QuickBooks is the household name, but that doesn't mean it's the right choice for your business. I don't necessarily hate QuickBooks. It's not a bad software. However, there are better options out there, aka Xero. Now, QuickBooks is not necessarily horrible. I've used it. We have certain clients who still use it. However, we strive for more than not horrible when looking for an accounting software. We want to give you the best option, and we truly believe that that is Xero. The biggest reason we feel that Xero is superior to QuickBooks is their customer service. When you call Xero, you get personalized help. It's easy, it's quick, and you're able to move on and figure out the problem that you had. Okay, so I will share one story about QuickBooks customer service. I called about a client, their bank feed was not working, it became disconnected. We tried many times to log back in. I finally called them, asked them what was going on, and the conclusion that the customer service representative gave me was, I don't know. And it wasn't, I don't know, let me talk to my superior. I don't know, let me ask my boss. No, it was just, I don't know. And that was it. He was ready to end the call there. And this is not necessarily a unique experience, unfortunately. I've heard from many other bookkeepers and business owners who have also had issues with QuickBooks customer service. This can cause errors, it can cause a delay in getting things done, which means that you could be delayed in getting reports and knowing how you did the previous month. We don't want this for you. On the flip side, when you have an issue in Xero, you submit a ticket, and I always get a response within a couple hours. They ask what your problem is. If you need to get on a call, they will get on a call. They'll even screen share with you, and I've never had an issue getting my problem solved. The other thing we love about Xero is their transparent pricing. Xero plans start at $20 a month. QuickBooks plans, on the other hand, aren't very transparent. They're always having deals or sales where it's 70% off, but you don't really ever know how much you're gonna pay and how long that deal is going to last. In every experience I've had though, it ends up being more than Xero. The other thing we love about Xero is that they have so many integrations. They integrate well with Stripe, with Dubsado, with pretty much any system that you use, they have an integration. QuickBooks, on the other hand, has some integrations. They work okay, but they're really not the best option. As an online business owner, we know that you're probably using lots of different softwares, and the ability to have them integrated with your bookkeeping is really important. Xero really is built for the modern business owner. They use relatable terms like who was paid, what were they paid for, so that you can understand exactly what information is needed from them. This results in less errors in your data, and therefore your information is more accurate. Xero is also so much easier as a bookkeeper to use. And it's prettier. I'll be fully transparent here. Not all of our clients are on Xero. We do have clients who use QuickBooks for a couple of reasons. They've been using it for years. They use QuickBooks Payroll. They don't want to move to a new payroll provider, and they're just generally pretty happy with their system. That is okay. However, most of our clients end up switching to Xero for a lot of reasons. The transition from QuickBooks to Xero is so easy. You can move your data over so you're not losing any of your data, and it's so quick. So if you want to save time, save money, have better clarity and less issues, we recommend using Xero as your accounting software. So there you have it, why we like Xero way better than QuickBooks. So make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions about Xero, drop them in the comments.